You guys ready?
Yes.
What about you? You ready? Huh? You ready? All right. Ready? And listen, let's not go crazy in the water, guys, okay? We don't need to get really wet. Let's just ride down the street and remember what's the rules. Look both ways first, and what else?
And if there's cars,
If there's,
pull
pull to the side if there's cars, yep.
Let's go.
All right, let's go.
Oh, nice flash, Bracken. I'm coming. That got in the water and Big Leah. And me. And me. Hey, there's more water.
What, Brig?
What's up?
Okay, don't go after the squirrel. You might run into me. You gotta watch where you're going. The loop-de-loop? Okay, go. And then we'll keep going. Where did Brax go? There he is. Okay, stop. There's a car coming. Pull it over. Pull it over. Good job. Good job. Everybody wave. Thank you. Hi. Cute girl alert. Come on, let's go. Yeah, we're gonna do a loop. What do we do at the stop sign, Brax? What do we do?